Hello all, this is Mukesh. Welcome to a new video on the topic Algo trading. Today we are going to see how to import all NSE stocks into a Java table. First, add a button. Resize the JFrame to fit a table. Next, pick a table and place it in the frame. Next, go to Properties, Table Model, then remove all rows and keep the 3 columns. Assign title for each table columns. Double-click the button to add event. Call the default model of table we have created. Call getInstruments function and assign the value to a list of type instrument. Next, use for loop to go through all the list instruments. Add rows to each list instruments. The row contains first name of instrument, next exchange of instrument, finally type of instrument. Okay, let's run the program. We have successfully imported all the stocks from all the exchanges. The table contains stocks from all exchanges, that means NSE, FNO, BSE, etc. Next, we are going to display only instruments under NSE exchanges. So, we add a condition to check whether the instrument is NSE or not. Condition is the instrument is NSE, a new row will be added. Otherwise, the loop will continue. Okay, let's run the program. We have successfully imported all NSE stocks. Next, we should remove these null values. Let's see how to do this. We add one more condition, that is, adding row only if the name is not null. Okay, let's run the code again. Yes, it's working. Now we have discarded all null fields. Finally, we have one more problem, that is index values. So we need to add one more condition. Display the instrument only if segment is not indices. Okay, let's run the code. We have successfully displayed all NSE tradable instruments. That's all for the day. If any queries, please let me know in comments. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.